Look at this illegal piece of shit right here. Ooh, she jaywalking. But she's safely across the street. I'm gonna go inside now. So man, I just left my house. And she realized one thing. She left her keys. Go home, go to bed.
Okay. I saw some people crossing the street, so I'm just hopefully they're not walking this. In which case, I should get my keys around.
Okay.
Okay. Well.
Be safe.
Okay.
You got a taser. Okay. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Again, fucking illegal right here. You never realize though. Show my fucking jacket. That's my favorite jacket. Oh well. She's my baby sister. You know, like she can name it clothes if she wants to. It's all cool. It's cool. I still love her. Okay, so I just finished getting ready because I'm about to go head out to Amanda's house to go give her a tripod because she doesn't have one and she wants one. So yeah, I give her this one, the smaller one, because she can put it in her backpack. She usually carries around this giant backpack. Okay, it's not giant, but like she's a small person, and like yeah, she carries around this backpack everywhere, and she put it in there. It's mine. I own two. So see you guys later. It's like 1:20, almost 1:30 again, basically. I try really hard not to sleep in this late, but it just happens. Like, I really don't think that I went to sleep that late last night. Hold on. Unplug. I don't want to get up. I mean, to be fair, I really don't have to. But, vlog. You guys like my backpack? No, I know. When I go out, a lot of people, like, give me weird looks because of my backpack. Here's my thoughts on Ouija boards, okay? Because, you know, since it has the pattern, if there's a spot on the backpack that has the full layout of the actual board, then basically you can still use it as a Ouija board. And I've been kicked out of people's houses for basically having a Ouija board up in their house. That was my fault, though, for assuming that, you know, everybody would be chill with it. I didn't think about that until then. But basically, if I'm at home and I leave my front door unlocked and someone comes in and they either raid my house or, you know, something like that, okay, that's my fault. I should have locked the goddamn door. Now, same thing with a Ouija board, okay? If you're using a Ouija board and you don't have the correct knowledge of how to use one, because yes, there is a certain way to use them, then basically you're unlocking your door and you're leaving it unlocked. And if something passes through there, the portal that you're creating, something bad happens, that's on you. For that reason, that's why I don't use it. Either way, if you want to think of it that way, it really is a door. So, that's my little story behind my bag. We're going hiking. Wazoo! Yay! Right there. What are you in that spot? You stop singing.
I'm serious.
Oh my god.
What? Why'd you take it off?
It washed off. I got a new jacket. It wasn't worth the money. It was $200.
What the fuck? Wait, what?
This jacket was $200.
Who got it for you?
I did.
With what money?
Fine. And I can't afford dog food.
Yeah.
Jackass. Hiking.
Does that involve like power walking?
I mean, sort of. I'm probably the slowest person you're ever gonna meet, so if you can keep up with me, then don't say anything. I saw that look.
I heard you guys sleep together now.
We always sleep together.
You said you want to what?
I said we always sleep together. You looked really excited, damn.
What? What?
We're talking about calling you Croy and calling Tyler Croy.
Well, the reason they call me Croy was because there's another Justin.
Yeah, but we didn't even call him Justin. We called him Bieber.
What?
I was saying we didn't even call the other Justin. We called him Bieber. You know what? When I first got there, I thought Tyler and Bieber were brothers because they were white.
That's racist!
Shall we go on our hike now? Sure.
A main chick.
Alright, so we're not gonna sing it? Okay. We're going on a hike. And Eddie's coming.
I got invited.
I know.
Stupid on the video. That's all I got to say.
You want to look stupid on
Yes,
that?
I'm going to.
It's okay.
Watching it will count as a view.
What you guys say about that?
So if you're watching it from your own account, then the views add up.
True. You gotta take a shit.
You need a longer leash.
I have a longer leash, but like, this is stronger.
Yeah.
Almost everything you've recorded today has been on a GoPro, right?
My phone also.
So mostly the GoPro?
Yeah.
Okay, and I hope it works.
Vlog. That's Bay. That's Eddie. Nezuko. Nezuko's having the time of his life.
Eddie, I love you!
Love you too.
Yes!
You want to know something weird?
What?
See that hill? Right down that road? That's where my dumbass ex-bitch lives.
Come here. This is my dog. He's stupid.
No, he's not.
Zuko,
It's
come!
really nice out.
Zuko,
Zuko! Come
come
here.
here.
Give me my soda.
Come here. Go, be free. Run away.
It's your hike?
Yeah.
This is a spot right here.
It's
I've never
nice.
been up here. Go sit on that box.
Isn't this where Tim goes?
That box. Who? Tim?
Yeah, or like a little higher up.
I have no clue. I didn't know Tim came up here, to be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah. Even Tim's been spending a lot of time with me. He even said it yesterday. He's like, Eddie,
Hey, I used to spend a lot of time with you, but like...
But like what?
Fuck, never mind, bye. Bye. We made it.
I don't know. Apparently the fact that I say bruh and I'm not joking. say,
We just made it to the top of the hill. Well, like, not really, but like... We made it at some point. There's Eddie, me, and then my little puppy. There he goes. So how was your guys' day?
very short. It's not dark yet.
I'm also scared to go down because like it's kind of steep. Like, look at this, guys. It's pretty steep. I'm just gonna sit on my ass and record this. 'Cause yeah, why not?
Hikes all the way up here. Can't get back down.
That's pretty much my entire life all the time.
How are you holding up?
I'm scared of coyotes, and I'm still salty. Oh fuck! Watch out for that.
Need some water?
I'm scared. My shoes untied. If I fall, I fall.
You gotta admit, that was a good one.
What?
That was smooth.
What did you say?
She said, or what did you say? If I fall, I fall. I said, it's okay, Justin, okay? She gave me that look. I was like, you gotta admit, that was a good one.
Guys,
Tim pretty much stole my PlayStation. He plays it more than me. Well, it's not even my PlayStation. Julian's. Julian came over last night.
Which Julian you guys keep talking about?
Laura,
big Mexican
big
guy.
fat,
Oh.
looking dumbass.
Okay.
You like my bag?
You like my girlfriend?
Who, Zuko? Ow. Ow. Where'd Zuko
Okay,
go?
you know what's worse?
Right
Zuko, come
there.
here.
Zuko!
I want a
Zuko,
cucumber.
come.
I can record with Flash. Yay. Ah. Not trying to fall. I'm not trying to fall. I made it this whole time without falling. Watch me fall now.
Right again.
I know.
Yeah, there's a rat there. I'm sliding off it.
Yo, they're what are these?
Right.
This is dust particles.
It's like bright though, like.
I know, cause it's dark outside.
I like the
Okay, okay. You see,
green. Oh shit! I didn't know it was gonna come off.
so you see this park over here?
Yeah.
When I went one time with my dad to,
see Zuko at the park. He's also playing at this park.
I went with my dad to Rolling Heights one time, and we were in this neighborhood that like he used to hang out with when he was little. And there was a community park, so we went to go chill in the park. We're sitting there on the swings, and we keep hearing this fucking cow. Like, it was really random. Like, I'm just hearing a cow, and I'm all like, that's really weird. But then the more I started thinking about it, I'm like, why am I hearing a cow, but I don't smell it? Because, you know, cows smell really bad. So the more I started thinking about it, I'm like, what if there's someone hiding in the bushes with, like, an audio clip of a cow going, so that I go and check it out, and then someone's going to shank the shit out of me.
Justin made it.
So I, like, took off. Oh, hi!
You missed the hike. We almost fell.
Yeah, at the very bottom, we almost fell.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's going. It's going.
God damn it. Hold on. Yeah, we started. No, it's because it's holding down the power.
Open up the window. You're trying to use the force, man?
She's like, Mom, I want to be in it. I want to be
And then I open up the window.
She's like, never mind. Y'all should let out the antidote. Goddamn.
Flying theme. Safe mode. No, we're in safe mode. That's why.
Y'all gonna do your
No,
thing?
my phone went into safe mode.
Y'all
Hold
gonna
up.
do it yet?
We already did Hold on.
You gotta get that cool angle, you know?
I feel like I have to restart
It's
my
okay.
phone
Y'all's
again.
gonna end it tonight anyways, so.
Yeah, I
This,
know.
this is a really cool angle, by the way.
Yeah, we
This is a really cool angle.
It took us 3 hours to finish.
I'm just gonna have to wait
Oh,
for this
no.
thing. It's
Fucking Android users.
I know, that's why iPhone is strong.
iPhone getting too strong. I'm gonna have
Android
to,
Master Race.
I'm gonna have to teach my baby.
Android Master Race? Oh god.
I don't know how to turn it off in safe mode.
Oh yeah? Perfect.
Androids. Yo, my hand can't stay like that forever.
I'm sorry, man. Okay. It's all kinds of tricky.
Oh wow. Look.
Are we just...
There you go. I'm comfortable.
Yeah, I couldn't even get it changed. I had to get on my freaking toe.
I sound comfortable with that.
Can't even get a kiss.
No, you
Let me
can't.
Take a picture.
She needs to look.
Because she's
perfect.
like, you dirty. I don't want to be kissing you. Okay. Come here, little girl.
You'll be fine.
You are. I hate you guys. I'm a person.
Girl.
I like your GoPro, man. Let me zoom out so I can see the full thing. Oh, hi there.
Zuko.
Angie.
He said nope.
He's a Croy tender. You said we're free? I said no, we were free. No, I know. We didn't do that damn thing.
Hell no.
Damn, and Amanda just
I know, that's
rejected.
her.
You got
Oh, were you
rejected.
trying to kiss? I
Yeah.
didn't see it. I'm sorry.
You better not one up me.
The GoPro's in the picture.
Woo. That was fun. You remember John Lennon?
Yeah, I remember when he got shot. Well, I wasn't born when he got shot, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You remember Business Academy?
Where's Carlos?
The one whose brother played sax.
Does he know who that is?
No. That's Mia. You remember he was president of Business Academy. He graduated with Andrew. He looked like John Lennon. You remember that? Alright, whatever then.
Was he in band?
No, he was.
Why I didn't know.
I don't remember like anybody from school.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he don't
Let's
look
see
like that anymore.
What do you
John
look,
Lennon.
what do you look like now?
Oh, I know him.
He looks like Captain America.
No.
He looks like Captain America.
So you tell me he looks like Chris Evans?
Yeah, he looks like Chris Evans. Zuko! Come here.
This is my Doge. That's Doge.
You're gonna do your lipstick? Dude, look at my lips.
Today, we went on a hike.
We went on a hike, and I was salty, and she was pepper. The end of the vlog actually came like abrupt. Like there was more that we planned on putting in there, but it was too personal. Yeah. This is our ending to today's vlog. I think the way that we're gonna start doing these vlogs is that
we're gonna post it like the next day.
Yeah, we're gonna post it the next day, even though like we'll have today's, like the current day, we'll have everything recorded, but it probably won't be uploaded until the next day. Like I'll try to get it uploaded as soon as I can, hopefully during that day, but if not, it'll most likely be uploaded the next day.
It takes a lot of time editing. Like
it does.
We
We started at like 8 and it's almost 12 o'clock, and I was trying to have this uploaded before 12, but
and we're still editing.
yeah, this is gonna have to go in here too. So everything up to here is good, but we have to add this in. So it's a lot of work, and to be doing this every single day this year.
366 days.
365 now.
364 because it's technically tomorrow's midnight.
Yeah, but yeah. So I guess we're still learning. We're learning along the way, but yeah. Here is the conclusion to day number 2.
We actually got GoPro footage today.
We did. We figured out how to use the GoPro. We had to lower down the resolution or the quality that it was recording in. So I got tattoos. She has tattoos. So we're using our phones. We're using the GoPro, and we're using
my DSLR.
Yeah, DSLR. So yeah, with all 4 devices, really, it's kind of.
It's a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of work to have to be extracting all these files from all these different devices, but it's not impossible. So
it just takes time.
Yeah. So it's almost midnight. So after this is uploaded, it'll probably be like 1 or something. We're heading to bed because we are so tired. Like as you can tell by the grody-ness, the grody face.
Look at our lips.
Look at this lips. The lipstick is gone. Catch you tomorrow.
Me though. Okay, so like story time, guys. So this morning, like before I left your house, I was changing. I was putting on this shirt. The shirt right here, yeah, kind of tight, but like yeah, whatever. I was trying to put it on, and I'm like, I don't know why, I somehow injured myself putting on a fucking shirt, because I'm stupid. And like, ever since all day, this arm has been hurting because I pulled a fucking muscle. I'm trying to put on the shirt.
Oh my
It hurts.
god. Oh my god.
What? But dude, my arm really hurts. Ow! Like, bruh. I gotta be like, oh, fuck yeah! Because it hurts.
Is that correct?
Basically. Like, put on a fucking shirt.
You see that ghost symbol right there? Rope or Easter egg.